In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and interpret Bluehost log files for debugging. Let's dive right in and make the process as straightforward as possible for you. First things first, you need to log in to your Bluehost account manager. If you've done this before, you know the drill. Head over to the Bluehost website and look for the Login button in the upper right corner. After clicking on it, simply enter your credentials, your username and password, and hit Enter to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of your Bluehost account. Now that you're in, let's navigate to our next destination. You'll need to locate the Files and Access tab. This is your go-to section for anything related to file management and access on your Bluehost account. It's usually found within the Websites tab. But don't worry, it's clearly labeled, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Once you've reached the Files and Access tab, scan for the particular website you're interested in investigating further. You'll notice there's an error logs option listed for each site you manage. This is a key tool for debugging and understanding what's happening under the hood of your website. So, find the corresponding site, and once you've spotted it, click on the Manage button located right beside Error Logs. Great job! You've reached the part where the actual files come into play. The error logs are now at your disposal, ready for you to dive in and start identifying any issues your site might be facing. These logs are comprehensive records that automatically track occurrences of errors as they happen, providing valuable insights. When reviewing these logs, pay close attention to the timestamps. They can tell you precisely when each error occurred, which can be vital in correlating any issues with recent changes you may have made to your site. Look out for items labeled as errors, since these entries will give you clues on what might be going wrong. Oftentimes, you'll see error codes or specific messages that can help point to the source of the issue, whether it be a broken link, failed plugin, or other server-side glitches. To make the most out of these logs, it's helpful to have some background knowledge about common error codes, such as 404 or 500. But if you come across something unfamiliar, don't hesitate to search online or consult Bluehost support resources. A community forum or a tech support representative can be very helpful here. Remember, the goal is not only to pinpoint the problems, but also to understand how they occurred to prevent future incidents. By staying calm and systematic, log after log, you'll become more proficient at debugging over time. Thanks for following along, and happy website managing.